The Fancy Cakery, take one. Welcome back, bakers. Welcome to the Fancy Cakery. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making, and I just bought this new thing, so I don't know. Is it working? Remember to like and subscribe. Subscriptions are more commitment, but likes also, what should I say? Now, if you didn't look too good and too close, you wouldn't really know that this was not a real Pop-Tart. I know, yes, but there are fruits that is very well known and they're tropical.
Well, that sucked.
So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna fill this.
Might have carpal tunnel when I'm finished, but
there are fruits that everyone basically knows of. But there are tropical fruits that I am.
all right, my mother is eating papaw. We don't say papaya, we say papaw. And I want you to notice, she's not getting rid of the seeds. They eat that. This is how we eat it in the Bahamas. It's digest. We don't know, but
We don't know.
I guess.
Oh, and limey, it is so good. You have to try this cupcake. You have to try it. Hey, it's really good. Y'all come try it. Man, that's good stuff. That is good stuff. I like that stuff. I'm a lone child, an orphan right now. I'm a fruitcake maker orphan. I mean, I don't know. Normally, mummies do this. She's been doing this so much years. She'll be able to tell me. So I'm hoping that this could please the pumpkin and pecan lovers in your family. All the same, together. Did you fart? This week we are making St. Patrick's Day inspired. This week we're making a St. Housewife, you only running up my camera time. Housewife, that was good. Here, finish the rest of mine. I can't wait to gain 50 pounds from this. On my channel, and one cup of Cairo corn syrup, and I sprayed the. What is this called? And I'm gonna decorate it with a little bit of. Let me tell you, the Bahamas is literally the playground for the wealthy. Everywhere beautiful, like the Bahamas. Because there's nothing like knowing someone's culture, unless you are that someone. Oh man, I forgot to toast my coconuts. Oh well, too bad. This was so hard for me to come up with seasonal. It was so hard for me to come up with a recipe that I thought would fit just fine in January. Oh Lord, this is bad. Okay. Lemons. You're so stupid. Can you go?
Yeah, but like the Bahamas has like literally one thing going for it.
I don't give a shit. It's beautiful. I love it. It's my country. Ingredients: pumpkin. I don't know. I tore the thing, so
Who would have thought?
that's what I said. That's what I think it says. It's probably like some preservative or something too.
Probably could have cut that part out.
I'm gonna cut it out.
Careful, Sponge. Careful, Sponge. Careful, Sponge. Careful, Sponge. Careful, Sponge. Careful, Sponge. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob.
Y'all are retarded. But likes are definitely what should I say?